Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have 5 new and secret codes for Android phone, and trust me, all these codes are very important and are the secret and the shortcut to reach anywhere in your phone. So I'm going to tell you how this will work. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first code which I have right now in my list is *21* and then you have to dial any number. Let's suppose I need to dial any number. It could be of 9 digit, it could be of 10 digit, any number you can dial here, and then you can press hash. And then after that you can dial this number and it will be get activated on your phone. See this one? And all your call will be routed to any wrong number. Now you can see this one, this is call forwarding has been done. You can click OK and you can come out of this one. Now how this will be helpful for you, why you are transferring all the calls to a wrong number. Let's suppose you are going to be very busy on your phone or anywhere and you don't want that anybody can call you on your phone and you don't want to get disturbed. That point of time you can dial this code which I told you, *21* and then any phone number and then the hash, and your call will be routed to a wrong number and there will be no call you will be receiving on your phone. The best part is you can able to make call to anyone, you can use your internet, everything can be done, but you won't be receiving any call on your phone number. They will listen on their phone that this is a wrong number. This trick really helps you if you're going to be very busy on your phone for a long time. And to unlock this code you have to dial here #002 and then again hash, and then dial this one, and the moment you dial this one it will take a minute and then deactivate the call forwarding from your phone. Now you see this one, the call forwarding services has been disabled. This is an amazing trick of Android phone. You should try this one. You should try this one in your phone. Now the next code in my list is *558 and then you have to dial hash. The moment you dial this one, you will be reaching on this page. This is the factory test on the top, and then the engineering test, quality verification test. So many of tests you can do of your phone, whether your phone is working properly or not. Simply just click on this engineering test. Then you will be getting all these options which you can check in your phone one by one. You can click any one of them. Let's suppose if I click on this finger cover test, then you can test your finger coverage test from your phone and it will be completed. So one by one you can check everything. With the motor test, it will start vibrating your phone. Everything you can able to check with this code in your phone, whether it is working properly or not. And the second best thing is you can able to reset your phone to the factory setting. If you want to erase all the data from your phone, if you want to start from the scratch, then you can do it from here as well. So this code is also really amazing. You should try this one as well. Now let's talk about the third one. The third code is also very important. It is *#4838# and then one more star. I'm using right now Vivo phone, so you must be using a different kind of phone, different model, different company. So if this code is not working in your phone, then you can try this one, that's *#4636#*#*. Then the same thing will happen in your phone as well. So I'm gonna press here hash and then one more star. The moment I do that, I will be reaching on this page. This is the phone information, the first one. You can click on this one here. Your phone internet information, how much signal is coming in, what kind of network you are using, and what is the strength of the network. Everything you can able to come in there and you can able to check it from here. And then the Wi-Fi information, you can also check the Wi-Fi information as well here. So this code is also very important. You should try this in your phone as well. Let's talk about the fourth code, and the fourth code is also very important. Sometimes you don't need to go into the depth of the phone to check these information, the information which you will be getting after dialing this code, and the code is *#06 and then hash. The moment you dial this one, you will be getting the IMEI number of your phone, which is very important. It's kind of address of your phone. You can check it just by dialing this code immediately on your phone. You don't need to go into the phone to check everything one by one. Simply just dial this code and the IMEI number of your phone right in front of you. You will be getting it there. See this? This is my number. Click on OK and you will be out of this one. So this code is also very important to get the IMEI number anytime. Now let's talk about the last code, and the last code for Android user and everybody is very important. So for that you have to just go to your dialer pad, dial here *#225 then #*. The moment you dial this one, all your calendar info you will be getting in right in front of you. See these all are the calendar info with my email address which I have made in my phone. I can able to get it immediately. You don't need to go to every email. You don't need to check it one by one in the calendar. what is the reminder you have put on any calendar, you can simply just dial this code and you can get it here right in front of you immediately, one by one, and you can able to check what activity is going to be happen in future on which date. See this, all these are the activities with the calendars, birthdays, contacts and everything, and along with that these are all are my email addresses. If I have created any activity, I can check it here. So this is really amazing shortcut to reach onto your calendar info just by dialing this code. Normally these codes makes our work very easy on our phone, so we have to just remember those codes, or you can write it anywhere in your phone. So these all are the codes which I have right now for you. I hope you like all of them. I will be writing all these codes in the description, you can check it from there as well. Any question related to these codes or anything, you can simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.